Tired of guessing which videos actually drive growth? Stop sifting through generic charts that all look the same. Learn to build custom reports that reveal your best content in under 5 minutes. Seriously, once you know how to pull the exact numbers you need, you will stop wasting time on data that does not matter and start making real decisions for your channel. So, here is the plan. We are going to walk through the expanded analytics report step by step. We will navigate to advanced mode, pick the right metrics, break down the data, compare performance, and then save or export everything so you can use it later. All right, let us jump in. First thing you need to do is sign in to YouTube Studio. Over on the left side menu, click Analytics. Once you are on the main analytics page, look at the top right corner of any report. You will see either a button that says Advanced Mode or one that says See More. Click that. This opens up the full tool set, and trust me, this is where the real power is hiding. I have tested a lot of different setups in here, and this is the gateway to getting away from the generic overview. Now that we are in the advanced view, let us customize your metrics. On the left side, you will see the metric picker. This is a list of everything YouTube tracks, from views and watch time to subscribers, and even revenue per mil, or RPM. Do not just accept the default selection. Think about what you actually want to know today. Are you trying to see which videos keep people watching? Pick watch time. Want to know if your thumbnails are working? Pick impressions and click-through rate. Click the boxes for the metrics that match your goal. This is where you turn generic data into something useful. All right, building on that, let us change the breakdown. Directly next to the metrics, you will find the breakdown pickers. This lets you slice your data into specific categories. You can organize by content, like regular videos versus shorts. You can look at traffic source to see if people are finding you through YouTube search or suggested videos. Or you can even check geography to see which countries are your biggest fans. And device type is great for knowing if most of your audience is on phones or computers. Click on whichever breakdown makes sense for what you are analyzing. So now that we have the basics set up, let us compare performance. This is where things get really smart. Look for the button that says Add Comparison, usually near the top of the chart. Click it. This lets you put two different things side by side. For example, you can compare how two different videos performed over the same time period. Or you can compare last month to this month directly. It is like having a before and after picture of your channel, and it makes spotting trends super obvious. Now, once you have built the perfect report, do not lose it. Look up at the top of the page and click Save View. This saves your entire setup, metrics, breakdowns, everything. So the next time you come back, you can just load it up instead of rebuilding from scratch. Alternatively, if you want to play with the numbers in a spreadsheet, click Export Current View. That gives you the data as a CSV file or sends it straight to Google Sheets. This is a huge time saver if you like to keep a personal record of your growth. And that is really all there is to it. You came in feeling lost in generic charts, and now you have the tools to build custom reports that actually tell you something useful. Go ahead, open up your own YouTube Studio and give it a try. Pick one metric that matters to you right now and build your first custom report. You will be amazed at what you find.